Hi guys, today we're going to talk about feelings. Feelings. Can you repeat after me? Feelings. Feelings. So, how do they feel? He is happy. 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 He is angry. Angry. He is hungry. Hungry. And he's sick. Sick. He's sad. Sad. He's tired. Tired. He's hot. Hot. And he's cold. Cold. So what do we say to people when we say hello? She says, "Hi Sam." This is Sam. "Hi Sam, how are you? How are you?" And what does Sam say? "Hi Kate." This is Kate. "Hi Kate, I'm thanks." So how does he feel? "Hi Kate, I'm happy. I'm happy. Thanks." Or, "Hi Kate, I'm sad. Thanks." "Hi Kate, I'm angry. Thanks." "Hi Kate, I'm hungry. Thanks." "Hi Kate, I'm cold. Thanks." "Hi Kate, I'm hot. Thanks." "Hi Kate, I'm tired. Thanks." "Hi Kate, I'm sick. Thanks." So you just fill in the feeling. "Hi Kate, I'm thanks." So how do they feel? "How are you?" "I'm hot. I'm hot." "I'm cold. I'm cold." "I'm happy. I'm happy." "I'm angry. I'm angry." "I'm sad. I'm sad." "I'm sick. I'm sick." "I'm tired. I'm tired." And "I'm hungry. I'm hungry."